Today I'm unboxing another Bohemian theme light fittings that I purchased from Temu. It's raining now and I do have tin roof, that's why I'm rushing through this video. So this was $17 total. I'm going to have to cut this open. I have not opened. I'm gonna have to cut it because I can't find my scissors. I'm gonna have to rip into it. Hang on. Okay, so here we go. It's a box in a bag. It's pretty lightweight. Here it is. Hang on, let me get a grip of this. Okay, so product, lighting fixtures, voltage, lamp, no lamp, max wattage, the manufacturer, yada yada yada. Alright, so if you watch my previous videos, you will see that I pretty much got this. These are individual items. I did not purchase them as a set, but I managed to get a whole set out that fits for the entire house. My tiny home, to be more specific. Hang on. Here we go. I'm almost out of time, so I'm going to have to do this quick. It is a plug-in. This is it. It's not the hardwiring, and that's a shade. This is the light itself and the mounting kit. So that's it for this item. It's pretty huge for a decent size. Anyway guys, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to follow the journey. And if you want to see the installation and what it looks like when it's up, head over to the Boho Homestead.